Hi, this is the Atlas of Arts channel and this is a video about hairs. After the 30 days hairstyle challenge, I get a lot of skills about hairs and I want to share with you how to draw two different hairstyles. First, I'll show the hair in a wave. I draw a soft wave. This line has a front and a back. I'm drawing something that looks like a snake. Make the shape more carefully and understandable. I remove first layer of a pencil and draw all lines in detail. You can also put shadows and show the volume on hair. The pencil lines follow the direction of the hair wave. It's darker inside and there's a lot of pencil. The hair in the foreground is lighter. Using a mechanical pencil, I add details in the direction of the hair wave. I will repeat this drawing next to it, but I use watercolors this time. I will do light and shadow exactly as in a pencil drawing. Fast sketch it is enough. I take ochre and transparently put the first layer. With the second layer, I use the same paint and paint dark places. I immediately add a darker brown in the shade. With a thin brush, I show the direction of the hairs. I repeat everything what I did in pencil drawing. Now I show direction of hairs. For the last layer, I take the darkest brown what I have. Also, you can mix it with violet if you want. And with darker brown, I draw the last dark layer. And I add a few hairs of the first ochre color for more realism. And next I want to draw pigtails. First, drawing a rectangle. I add the similar ovals to it and then clarifying the shape. One oval enters the other. I delete not necessary pencil, and with a pencil I show where the dark place will be. And then I draw lines in the direction of the hair. At the beginning and at the end of each oval, there will be places darker than in the center. It is important to think about the direction of hairstyle and put the hairlines in the according with this. Add small details like always with a mechanical pencil. I will repeat the drawing in watercolor. I repeat the rectangle, add ovals, and refine the shape. I use all the colors what I use the past drawing. When shape of pigtails is good and clear, I start with watercolor. First use ochre. I fill all the hair. And draw the darker places with the same color. Next layer I add darker brown and show shadows again. After I use more darkest brown, if you have no this, you can mix brown and violet. And repeat again with darkest place. With a thin brush, I draw hairs and show the hair's direction. Steps are similar from past drawing. These are the hairstyles I drew today. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching my video.